The word of the day is hegemony. Hegemony means dominance or leadership of one group over others. ആധിപത്യം, നായകത്വം എന്നെല്ലാം മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയാം. Please note the following sentence. The greedy man wanted to bring the whole neighborhood under his hegemony. Please try to form more simple sentences using this word hegemony. Thank you.